Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Easter centerpiece. Easter is a season of light, purity and renewal. A crystal Easter centerpiece brings spark, elegance and charm to your table. Start with a crystal bowl or vase as your base. The clear sparkling surface will reflect lights beautifully, creating a magical effect for your decoration. Fill the crystal with the Easter eggs. Choose pastel shades like pink, mint green, soft yellow, baby blue. You can use glitter or patterns eggs to catch the light and make the centerpiece shine even bright. Add fresh or artificial flower around the eggs. Tulip, rose, lily, spring blossom brings color, softness and elegance to your crystal centerpiece. Creamy like or small fittings, creative nature and fresh look. Decorate with extra touch to enhance the spark. Small glass beads, pearl crystal can be around the eggs or placed inside the vase to make the centerpiece playful, glamorous and eye-catching. Balance is key. Arrange the eggs, flower and decorative elements so that everything is harmonious and appealing. Let the crystal shine thought and creative reflection and light patterns on your table. Place your crystal centerpiece on a dining tables, coffee tables or side tables. Its sparkling elegance brings springtime, purity, joy and festive mood into your home. It's perfect for family gathering, Easter brunches or holiday celebration. A crystal Easter centerpiece is more than decoration. It's symbol renewal, lights, happiness. The combination of sparkling crystals, soft colors and seasonal decoration create a table that feel luxury, joyful and special. This Easter, let your tables come alive with a touch of spark and elegance. With eggs, flower, crystals in your centerpiece will be magical, memorable and full of festive charm. And viewers, Easter is a time of light, joy and new beginning. Crystal Easter centerpiece brings glamorous, elegance, festive charm to your home. Start with a beautiful crystal vase, bowl or tray. Crystal reflect lights and add sparkling, magical effect to your decoration. It instantly makes the arrangement feel luxury and eye-catching. Fill the crystal constrained with Easter eggs. Choose pastel shades like soft pink, mint green and baby blue. For extra sparkling cloud or glittery eggs or eggs with delicate patterns, the eggs will reflect the light, adding and shine. Add fresh or artificial flower around the eggs. Spring bloom like tulip, lilies, rose brings color, softness and elegance and creamy such as ferns or to create a nature and lush backdrop for your sparkling centerpiece. Enhance your centerpiece with the decorative essence, glass beads, pearl or tan crystal around the eggs and flowers. You can also add fairy lights inside or around the crystal constraint to create a magical glowing effect in the evening. Balances. Arrange the eggs, flowers